Welcome to Kusum.net. This is socket programming tutorial and you are watching part 2 how to install Sqlite. Okay, in the last part I have explained about what is Sqlite and what the use of Sqlite, what the benefit of Sqlite and what are the misbenefit of the Sqlite. So let's see today how to install Sqlite. So to install Sqlite you need Sqlite browser. Okay, using that browser you can easily create the tables, database and all the things. You can set the properties, set the variables. Okay, so to download the SQLite you need you have to search in the Google SQLite TV browser download. Okay, so here you can see to sqlitebrowser.org and the link downloads for DB browser for SQLite. Okay, click on that link and choose here from the given links. If your machine is 64 byte, then you have to choose 64 bit window, and if you have 32 bit machine, then you have to select 32 bit. I have window operating system and 64 bit my computer is. Okay, so I will select the 64 bit window 10 application I have, and I will select the G folder. Okay, so click on this G folder of 64 bit window, save it on desktop. Okay, and then so this is my G file is downloaded. Okay, I will extract this file to here. So right click on this, extract to DB browser for SQLite 3.12.2. Okay, so the browser will be in folder. So where is this? This DB browser. Okay, this is DB browser of SQLite and DB browser. Okay, this is my folder. Inside of this folder, you can see all the DLL files and execute file are here. Okay, from this you have to choose execute file. So here this one DB browser for SQLite. This is my SQLite exe. Okay, so double click on this so that I can install DB browser on my machine. Okay, your SQLite browser is already installed because you have extracted the folder. So this exe is directly open this browser. Okay, now here you can create the database. Click on this new database. If you want to create database on desktop and the database name is suppose uh, monitor database. Okay, save it here, create the table inside it. Suppose my table name is tbl monitor. Okay, and the fields are id integer and that will be primary key, auto increment. Okay, and not null, right? The second field will be suppose I have ft3 data, so ft3 and that will be in text. Second one is okay, this one. The second one is uh, mft3. Okay, and will be text. Okay. So I want to give this name 05 ft3 and here 50 ft3. Okay, and another one is suppose 50 ft3 53 ft3 and it is supposed integer text. Okay, another one is 05 ft3. Okay, text. So this way I can create the table. Okay, so my TBL monitor table is now created. Okay, so this is my TBL monitor table, and you can see the data types of this table. Okay, and if you want to change the data type, you can change now. So right click on this TBL monitor table, modify table. Before modify, you have to save this table. Okay, so your table will be C, and if you want to change the data type, you can see you can change. Okay, if you want to change the name of the field, you can, right. So this way you can create the table, and if you want to browse the table data, you can browse like this. Okay, add the fields here and you can save it. Okay, so this is the end of my video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you. Have a great day. In the next video, we will see how to save the data in SQLite browser in C#. So meet you in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a great day.